Everyone, this is Tushar from XG Developers. Today I'm going to show you how to swap memory external to internal for Samsung Galaxy Young GT S6312. The first thing is you should have to root your phone, then install BusyBox. If you don't know how to root your phone, watch my video Galaxy Young Rooted and search BusyBox app on Google Play Store. So first I'll go to show you my storage. It is saying 1.48 GB and download this external to internal from Google Play Store and tick mark this at boot and go to settings and tick mark this send rescan and use per default, tick mark this and mounting point to these and this SD card device access to this. Now click on back. Now click on this external to internal now your memory is swapped. If you want to check, so I'm going to show you my storage. As you can see, it is saying 29.71 GB and SD card is 1.48 GB. Thanks for watching.